Yo, what's good, boys? London recap of EU. This is a back test, and then the next video is the trade breakdown, which I took on my FTMO demo funded, as I'm still collecting data, but I wanted to, instead of just back testing it, I wanted to also get involved with a demo account, just so it feels a bit more real than just looking back. So we'll get onto the charts now. This was the trade. It was a continuation model trade. And obviously see this is my bias. I'll show you the bias now. So go on to the daily time frame. We are bearish from this break. It would need to break above this high to be bullish. 4-hour time frame. We are bullish from this break right there. And hourly time frame, we are also bullish from this break right there, and also this huge break right there. But yeah, so coming into this was our break. This was technically the most recent break, but yeah, we're bullish. So as this was a continuation model trade, what we need for this is we need the 15-minute to take a high. We need 15-minute equilibrium, and then we can gauge our entries on the lower time frame. So as we can see, this is our high and that break structure right there, and we have equilibrium from this low to this high, and we jumped on, you look at the 5-minute, so we had a fair value gap right there. But if we jump on the 3-minute time frame, what can we see here? We sweep a low and we break structure up. That is a 3-minute order block. As you can see, taps in there, and it also has a 3-minute fair value gap overlapping that. So 2 confluences right there, with also that being a 5-minute fair value gap, so we can extend that up for the higher time frame bias. So as it is mainly the 3-minute order block that gets tapped, and obviously a 5-minute, we are just looking for a 3-minute candle out, because we wouldn't want a 1-minute time frame. We wouldn't want a 1-minute candle out if it's a 3-minute POI. Obviously we could have got that here, which is what, 0.02 pip difference for the sake of a higher confluence entry. So as you can see, we would have entered on there. Stops would have been at this low, which will just round up to 6. We go for a 2R, as you know, and if we play that across, cool, we hit our target, and as you can see, would have gone break even right here, never come down to break even, and it just hit TP. If we'd have had a fixed stop, more refined stop, so below this low, 4.6, that'd be 921, what would it be, 9.2. As you can see, we would have hit that a bit sooner. However, would we have been stopped to break even? Let me have a look. No, we wouldn't have. We would have gone break even. Here, obviously it didn't come down to break even and then hit. So yeah, that was our EU trade. Hopefully you learnt something, and now I'm going to record the actual trade that I just took on UJ that just smashed TP. So yeah, see you in a bit.